Hi, I'm Laura Maniec Fioravanti. Welcome back to the Weekly Tasting. I'm really excited for summer this year, and especially couldn't be more thrilled to introduce the new vintages of Rosé. What we really love about Rosé is it's refreshing like a white wine, but has some of the aromas, some of the complexity, and some of the texture of a red wine. And in this tasting, we get to try a Rosé from the southern part of France in this Rhone Valley, an area called Costières de Nîmes. This is a blend of Grenache and Syrah, and then compare and contrast that to a really refreshing and mineral-laden Rosé from the region of Calabria and the area called Ciro, the Galliopo grape. I'm sure it's going to be a really fun tasting. Can't wait for you to try them. The first up is a Saveur d'Étampes, which is a Grenache and Syrah blend from the southern Rhone Valley from a region called Costières de Nîmes. What I love about southern France rosés is I imagine being on the beach or enjoying these wines, seaside, poolside, or even grilling. So when you look at rosé, you have a whole number, a lot of different colors that could possibly be, from everything from that dark kind of magenta, pink, and purple to this really beautiful pale pink color. And this one has teeny little bubbles, almost like a bit of effervescence, which I find quite refreshing and clean. On the nose, it's a lot of red fruit and orange marmalade, and has some pepper from the Grenache grape and from the Syrah, and little smoke and meat. Oh, but the real thing that makes this rosé so special is the texture. You get almost like the texture that you would expect in Pinot Noir, so just a little bit of glycerol and mouthfeel, but then it has a refreshing, clean, crisp nature. This is perfect for grilling chicken or having with things like burgers with bacon and cheese. I love this rosé. I hope you do too. The ability to travel through the glass is something that I love about wine, and especially I love the region of Calabria, which is the toe that's separated from the Strait of Messina from Sicily. So this area, Calabria, has a really special region called Ciro. And in Ciro, this grape Galliopo, a native and ancient grape, is really one of my favorite reds. So it's not surprising that it makes a delicious rosé. When I think about this wine, I think about this nice onion skin color. Really has like a almost like liquid mineral, smoky, even seaside smell, like saline, nori. It's perfect for sushi. It's so crisp and clean and refreshing, yet so complex and intense. I'm really thinking that this is going to be the rosé of the summer for me. I love this wine, and I hope you do too. There's so many great reasons to drink rosé, and whether you're drinking it and pairing it with just the beach, with the pool, with grilling, with salads, anything from fish to chicken to meat, there are so many ways to enjoy, and I can't wait for you to try these rosés. Rumi really likes rosé. Oh, Ru, you can't have any rosé, Ru.